Hi everyone, today I will guide you how to do KYC on Pi network. So let's start the process. First of all, you need to download the Pi browser application. Go to Play Store and you will find an application like this. I have already downloaded it, so you need to download and install it first. After that, you need to connect Pi browser with your Pi account. Open your Pi network application and click on Pi browser. You will see an option like this. Sign in to Pi browser. Click it first. It will take few moments to get connected. Once your Pi browser is connected, you can start your KYC procedure. For KYC, open your Pi browser. Click on this KYC icon. It will take a few seconds. Click on Allow button. Okay, so select your nationality first. You can write your country name. After that, choose the type of the document which you will use for KYC application. You need to agree with the terms and condition of KYC. This is the description. After reading it, click on I agree. At the moment, you must be 18 years old to apply for KYC. So let's go. This process contains 4 steps. First of all, you need to upload the picture of your ID document. Then you need to fill up your information. Number 3, facial recognition. You will be charged 1 Pi as KYC fee. Click on next button. In first step, you need to upload the picture of your ID document. It can be a passport, national ID card, or your driving license. Just make sure that you take the picture in landscape mode. So click on this button. Allow the application to take picture and video. First, you need to upload the front side of your ID document. You have two options here. Either to take picture directly with your camera, or you can upload those pictures. I will give you example with camera. I'm just taking a simple picture here. But you need to take pictures of your ID card. Again, you have the same options. So I have taken pictures of both sides of the ID document. Now click on next step. You have to fill up this form now with your ID card information. Make sure the spellings in your name are okay. Select your gender. And then you can choose your date of birth here from the calendar. Make sure to give information which is on your ID card. Here you can choose the country in which you are living. Put your ID card number on which you are applying. After filling the form, click on Next Step. It will take a few moments, so be patient. In the next step, AI facial expressions will be recorded. So make sure to follow the instructions on your camera screen. Click on this button. Look into the camera and keep following these instructions. If this goes okay, in the next step you will just take a selfie. Okay, so detection completed successfully. Maybe it will take a few attempts for you. It will give you a quick summary of your information. Click on the next button. Okay, so now it will take a few minutes, so be very much patient because it may go up to 10 minutes or maybe even longer. Okay, so on completion it will give you a notification. If all of your information on ID card and profile are matching and you have done KYC precisely, you just need to wait for approval. Thank you very much for watching the video.